Hello traders, and welcome to another brand new exciting live trading session for the channel. I have the trade that is currently running. I have about 20 seconds for this trade to finish, and I just want to record this session so I can show you something about this trading setup. I was not going to record this, but I saw that it is very important. I wanted to pass a very important message to you. You look at this trade, there's nothing lucky about the trade at all. This is just pure skill. The trade has just ended, and I want you to understand that there is nothing about luck. There is nothing like luck about this trading setup. This is just pure skill, and I'm going to explain the reason why I placed this trade so you can learn and most importantly apply the same when you decide to trade. So please do understand that trading is nothing about luck. There is nothing about luck. There is nothing lucky about trading. If you don't have the skill set, there is no way you are going to be profitable in trading. So try to develop the skills. Now you will look and understand that this was an uptrend, because we are seeing that these are the for some time the price were ranging, and this area here were the highest level of the price, this zone and this zone. So it is very clear that the price at the time broke this level right here, and the price has been rising over there ever since then. So we can consider this to be an uptrend without any form of argument, right? Now, having said that, why have I decided to place a trade in favor of the sellers if we are having an uptrend? Now, this is the reason why I decided to record this session, to show you so you can learn and also apply when you have decided to trade. Now, look at this. This was a current high of the price, and we are supposed to experience a retracement. When I mean a retracement, I mean the price needs to cool off like this. You see, the price needs to cool off like this. So if this is the current high, we need to have a retracement phase like this. Then the price will rise again, right? So now you can see that happened, and this was a rise, created this new high, as you can see. And we were supposed to see a retracement phase, right? We're supposed to see a retracement phase, but somehow the retracement phase started happening. You see, it started creating lower lows. You can see now that this is a low, this is a lower low, this is a lower low, and it kept coming all the way. And you can see that this is the obvious higher low swing. You see, this is a high, this is a low, this is a higher low, this is a higher low. So this is the recent higher low swing. And I've told you countless times on this channel that if you are having an uptrend, the higher low swings are stronger. They are not supposed to break by any means, right? They are not supposed to break by any means. So if we're having the higher low swings broken, it is a sign that the structure is going to change, and there's nothing anybody can do about it. So you can see that, pay attention to this level. I'll make this white so you can see it clearly. I'll make this white and bold. I want you to see what happened. So this is the current higher low swing, and the price came all the way down and broke it over here. You see, the price broke on this level, but it didn't close on this my trade. But when the price broke it, I knew that the structure has already broken, and we are expecting a fall of the price. So I placed my trade. The reason why I placed a trade against the original trend, which is the uptrend, is because we're having a broken structure. Because you see that this is the current higher low swing, and the price came all the way down and broke it on this level. This is why I have placed my trade. So you may not trade like this. This is a little bit more advanced strategy. You may not trade like this as a beginner. If you have a structure broken, you can wait for the price to fall down, and then fall down, and you can see the trend clearly. If you see this trend clearly, then you can decide to start looking for trading opportunities or in such market condition. But I took this trade just based on experience and everything I have known, and I knew that the price is supposed to fall since we are having this broken structure. You also see that I have a trend line on this level. You can see this was a trend line I have, and I was waiting to see if the price would respect it. You see, the price has respected it over here, and the price rose all the way up, created this new high, and it returned back to this trend line. And you can see that the trend line was not respected. The price broke the trend line, and that was the first signal to me that the price should continue to fall, right? Now, that was the first signal. The second signal was when the price broke this current higher low swing. So these were all put together with the reason why I have placed this trade. So I hope you've learned something from this trading session, and you can apply the same when you decide to trade. So just a quick recap, we can see that this was a period of the price when it was ranging. This was the current high of the price overall. You see that the price has broken this current high here to create this new high on this level, and we were expecting a retracement by default, and the retracement came and it broke this trend line on this level, which is not usual, right? Now, after that, the price also broke this current higher low swing. So all of these confirmations put together gave me the signal that the price action is changing, and the price is now going to be in favor of the sellers. So these were all put together, with the reason why I have placed this trade. So if you have any questions regarding to this session, please drop them on the comment section. I'm very good at replying to comment on the comment sections. Now, if you pay attention to this now, since the trend is changing, it's changing right before our eyes. You can see that if you want to trade like this, you can now start to look for opportunities like this. You can see that now we are having lows and lower lows, and you see that the price may reverse, hit this trend line, and then start to fall down again. It may not be exactly on this trend line. Most times it may rise above and then come back to use this previous support as resistance. That means it may use this level as resistance again. Now the price may fall, rise, use this level as resistance, and starts to fall down again. So you can use your trend line to know and to see what the price is doing. This is why you need to draw strong trend lines, and you can also pay attention to the support levels and the resistance levels. These levels are always the strongest areas that you can trust to be able to place trade either in the favor of the buyers or in the favor of the sellers. So like I always tell you, that price move in structures, and the structures are the support levels, resistance levels, and the trend levels of the price. So when price hits certain support levels, they tend to be great opportunities for you to enter into a trade in favor of the buyers. If it breaks the support level, we tend to understand that the price is likely to hit the next support level. Now you see that the price came all the way down and broke this support level, which were a previous higher low swing, and you can see that since this has happened, the price is now going to fall down to probably hit the next support level, which is this obvious level right here. This is what is likely going to happen, because you can see that the price has been falling ever since, and it has been falling. Even if it is slow, it is still falling down. So you may use this level of support to gain momentum, and then you see that the buyers may step in and push the price again to hit this previous resistance. This previous support will now be a resistance again for the price. It may consolidate over here, get some weaknesses, and then starts to fall down again. So I'm going to end this video here, and I hope you've learned something and you can apply the same. If you have any interest or in joining our mentorship, the link is going to be below the description of this video. Do well to join our mentorship to learn everything about price action, so you can also know how to navigate the financial market and avoid some of these losses that you are passing through right now. If you find any value in this video, give it a thumbs up, just so this video can reach out to more people like you who may be interested in content like this. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, do well to hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our important live trading sessions. So on this note, I'm going to end this video here and I'll see you again next time. But then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.